Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make chocolate cupcakes, ultimate chocolate cupcakes. This is so smooth, soft and this will melt in your mouth. So let's get started. Sieve 180 gram flour into a bowl and also 40 grams cocoa powder and 1.5 teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of baking soda. And next, whisk the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda together in a bowl until truly combined. And then set it aside. Next, in a medium bowl, add 200 gram butter and icing sugar and whisk the butter and icing sugar until completely smooth. Alright, after mixing butter and icing sugar into a smooth paste, we will need 2 eggs and now we are going to add 1 egg at a time. Beat it until it gets fully combined with the mixture. Add the remaining egg, also add 1 teaspoon vanilla. Here we go. Start beating again until this stuff mixed with the texture. Now take the flour mixture we kept aside earlier and add the flour mixture into the butter mixture in small batches and fold by a spatula. At this point, you have to make sure that you are not going to beat it, you're just going to fold it lightly by a spatula because the texture is so light. Here I am adding the second batch of flour mixture. Third and the final batch of flour mixture. Here I am adding 3 tablespoons coffee to give this a good flavor. Don't forget to add 3 tablespoons milk, which provide the smoothness and the softness to our delicious cupcakes. After adding butter and milk to the batter, use the spatula and mix it really well. Preheat your oven at 180 Celsius for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, take the batter and beat it for about 30 seconds. Make sure not to overbeat it. The chocolate cupcake batter is ready, and to make this more tastier, I am going to add some chocolate chunks to this. This is optional, and the more the chocolatier, the tastier it becomes. Let's start lining the muffin pan with cupcake liners. Are you excited? Me too. Okay, Let's fill our cupcake liners with the batter. Finally, the time has come to bake the yummy cupcakes. Bake this at 180 Celsius for 20 minutes. Ta-da! The cupcake is ready. To make sure that your cupcake is fully baked, you can use a toothpick to poke a cupcake. If it comes out clean, that means your cupcake is fully baked. You can see how spongy the cupcake is. I hope you like this recipe. If so, put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. See you next time. Bye.